Well, Dr. Nemeth mentioned many of them. Certainly, a recent study, really a meta-analysis of studies which had over 5 million people in it, found, and this data is amazing, that people with periodontal disease, had a 2.5 times greater risk of dying from heart disease, and 3 times greater risk of dying from uh, high blood pressure. So there's many diseases. Joe mentioned Alzheimer's. There's even pancreatic cancer. And just today, a study was published that showed that treating periodontal disease actually reduced the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. So the inflammation of periodontal disease is completely systemic and actually increases the risk of pneumonia, which is one of the great reasons people are dying from COVID.